Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python offers a variety of data structures to work with, each designed for specific use cases. However, it's essential to understand the overhead and performance characteristics of these data structures, as they can impact the efficiency of your code. In this tutorial, we'll explore some common Python data structures and discuss their overhead and performance considerations, along with code examples. Lists in Python are dynamic arrays that can store elements of different data types. They are mutable, which means you can change their contents. Lists have some overhead in terms of memory consumption and performance. Let's examine the performance of list operations. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, which means their contents cannot be changed once created. This immutability comes with some performance benefits. Sets in Python are unordered collections of unique elements. They are implemented as hash tables, which offer efficient membership testing. Dictionaries are key-value pairs that offer efficient lookup by key. Understanding the overhead and performance characteristics of Python data structures is crucial for writing efficient code. Depending on your use case, you can choose the appropriate data structure that balances memory consumption and performance. Always measure and profile your code to identify performance bottlenecks and optimize accordingly. ChatGPT.